Tuesday, 9th of December. So very quickly on the daily, we know where we are at this 78 up here. Lovely. Bit of leg there. So here we are. This 78 that we tagged, high to low range. There's that 78. As per the draw yesterday, I expected it to come short. We've come short. I would have liked to have seen it pop over the 78 and actually take that 78 a little bit better than it did here, just with that tag. But you can see that we've put in the shorts from that. So that's the reason for the shorts, the 78, the tag. That was enough to push it where it's pushed it to. It's currently come down and tagged the 78 of this high to low range. And that's what's caused late yesterday, late into the New York session, that long. So the first part of the New York session, it was like a morning trend short and then an afternoon reversal there. And where are we right now? So we've come to the middle of this range and we've put in a little bit of a short, and then we've come to the middle of this range, which is why I've got those draws on there. So what am I expecting to see? Well, there's a couple of things. That 50 here, we've gone up and tagged again. Is that going to be enough to push us short, to continue shorts? Or are we going to go up and test that 62? Drew that wrong. That's 62, or are we going to push through that negative 23 and are we going to go long? Or is this 50 going to hold short? So obviously there's a couple of options of which way we're going to go. I'm not 100% sold on the trend yet. Yes, on the daily we're very overextended. We expect to put in probably a little bit more shorts, but I've also got an eye on this 78 to take this 78 a little bit more effectively than it has there. So I'm just going to wait for the New York to show us which way we're going to go here. If this plays out here, and we get above here, above this 50 and above that high, and we pull back and then start flipping back long, I'll take that long into that 62. If we do want to push shorter into levels of this range, like that 62, that 78, or even come down through to this negative 23 and this low here, that's going to be something else I'm looking at. But at the minute, as always, when we're in the middle of the range, I'm not going to marry in my mind either side, because I could play any side. It depends what the market shows. Whatever the market shows me is what I'm going to play. 30 minutes into the open, we've got US JOLTS job openings, some recent news, but that's it. Obviously, it's not crystal clear. It's not one of those days where it's crystal clear. I absolutely already know what I want to see and what I want to play. It's just one of those days, like most of the time, more often than not, it's okay, I will play whatever the market shows me. And that's it, guys. As always, keep your size appropriate and trade safe.